Hi everyone, welcome back to 3D CAD Masters. Today I'm going to show you how to model the exercise we drafted from our previous video. This is what our final product is going to look like. If you haven't watched the last video yet, I highly recommend watching it before you continue with this modeling video. It will make a lot more sense. First, we want to begin by extruding a rectangle from the top view. I'm sure you've noticed at this point that rectangles are going to be our best friends. This rectangle is going to be 14 in width and 8 in length. Once you've completed filling in the width and length, go ahead, click the check mark at the top right and enter in 6 as your height for this rectangle. The rectangle I've drawn is a little off center, so I'm going to show you how to go back and edit that. Click Dimensions, then click the Placement button. Click Edit the Sketch section. Now you're just going to want to set the positioning dimensions, which are the blue fonts, to 0. And you're done. Now your rectangle is center. Let's go ahead and move on to extruding the next rectangle from the front view. This is going to be the 9x3 rectangle, which creates the base at the bottom as well as separates the two plateaus on the left and the right. I'm going to select this plane just because it's easier, but you can also select the front plane as well. Once again, we're going to click the center rectangle and draw a rectangle wherever we please and edit the dimensions here. So on this specific rectangle, you want to edit the dimensions, the positional dimensions specifically, instead of making it coincident to the line on top, so that when we get to our virtual drawing in the future, we can see exactly where that rectangle is positioned. Go ahead and set the depth of this to 8 to match our rectangle's width. Let's go ahead and move on to the next rectangle, which is going to be extruded from the top. It's going to be 6 in width and 3 in length. On this triangle, you can make the edges on the right and the bottom coincident to the rectangle above, just because this one really is truly coincident and there are no extra dimensions needed. Another way to edit the depth is to drag the yellow circle at the top and adjust the height. However, for our program, we like to use the purple font or the depth option at the top left and edit that ourselves. The easiest part are the holes in the base. The circles are going to be 2 in diameter, and we're going to edit the dimensions from the center of the circle to the edge of the rectangle so that it's more precise. Once again, remove the material and make the depth of these 2 holes 3 to match the base of our object. For the second hole, you're going to do the exact same thing, just edit the dimensions a tad bit. The depth of this second circle is also going to be 3, so go ahead and edit that as well. You have now completed your first model. Pat yourselves on the back and comment down below on some other objects you would like us to draft and model. Visit our website, which is located at the bottom right, for more information about our program. If you're interested in taking classes with us but are not in our local area, don't worry, we offer online classes too. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in next time. Bye!